Welcome to English Grammar Quiz.
Obfuscate means to make something unclear or confusing, so its antonym would be to make something clear or understandable, which is clarify. Placid means calm and peaceful, so its antonym would be something characterized by turbulence or agitation, which is turbulent. Insolent means showing a rude and arrogant lack of respect, so its antonym would be showing respect or deference, which is respectful. Impetuous means acting or done quickly and without thought or care, so its antonym would be acting with careful thought and consideration, which is considerate. Intransigent means unwilling or refusing to change one's views or to agree about something. So its antonym would be willing to change or compromise, which is flexible. Enervate means to cause someone to feel drained of energy or vitality, so its antonym would be to invigorate or fill with energy, which is energize. Bellicose means demonstrating aggression and willingness to fight, so its antonym would be inclined towards peace or non-violence, which is peaceful. Equivocate means to use ambiguous language to conceal the truth or avoid committing oneself, so its antonym would be to speak clearly and directly, which is be clear. Nebulous means unclear, vague, or ill-defined, so its antonym would be clear or well-defined, which is clear. Prosaic means lacking poetic beauty, so its antonym would be characterized by creativity and imagination, which is imaginative. Cacophony means a harsh, discordant mixture of sounds, so its antonym would be a pleasing or harmonious arrangement of sounds, which is harmony. Spartan means showing indifference to comfort or luxury, so its antonym would be characterized by comfort, opulence, or luxury, which is luxurious. Lachrymose means tearful or sad, so its antonym would be happy, bright, or cheerful, which is cheerful. Pulchritudinous means physically beautiful, so its antonym would be physically unattractive or unpleasant in appearance, which is ugly. Vituperative means bitter and abusive language, so its antonym would be expressing praise or admiration, which is praising.
Thanks for watching.